Are you ready to embark on a journey towards a healthier lifestyle? Look no further than the Healthsmart Juice Extractor. Whether you're a juicing novice or an aspiring health enthusiast, this powerful yet easy-to-use machine is the perfect addition to your kitchen. Say goodbye to expensive store-bought juices and sugary drinks, and say hello to fresh, nutritious, and delicious juices made right in the comfort of your home. Here are the key features of Hamilton Beach Healthsmart Juicer Machine. Embrace the power of fresh produce. Incorporating fruits and vegetables into your diet is crucial for a healthy life, and the Healthsmart Juice Extractor makes it easier than ever. With a robust 400-watt motor and a durable stainless steel cutter strainer, this juicing machine effortlessly extracts juice from hearty fruits and vegetables like apples, carrots, pineapples, and celery. Fuel your body with the essential nutrients found in fresh produce, and take a step towards reducing the risk of chronic diseases and promoting overall well-being. A quick and convenient solution. We understand that modern life can be hectic, leaving little time for shopping and juicing. The Healthsmart Juice Extractor offers a simple and efficient solution. Just a 6 to 10 oz serving of juice from this machine provides your recommended daily value of essential vitamins and minerals like A, D, calcium, potassium, and protein, along with fiber. What's more, you can enjoy all this goodness without the need for added sugar, preservatives, or artificial additives. Easy cleanup for hassle-free juicing. Nobody wants to spend more time on cleanup than on juicing. The Healthsmart Juice Extractor's stainless steel cutter strainer ensures quick and efficient juicing, while all plastic parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Simply rinse the strainer basket under running water and brush off any excess fiber buildup or pulp. The pulp bin container can be easily emptied, making the whole process effortless and mess-free. Compact design with abundant power. The Healthsmart Juice Extractor's compact design fits perfectly on your countertop and can be conveniently stored in a cabinet when not in use. Don't be fooled by its size, though, as the powerful 400W electric motor can tackle even the hardiest fruits and vegetables, ensuring you get every drop of nutritious juice. Commitment to quality and support. With a 3-year limited warranty and access to a dedicated U.S. customer support team, the Healthsmart Juice Extractor is backed by the reliability and expertise of Hamilton Beach, the best-selling juice extractor brand. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you have a top-notch product and excellent customer support at your disposal. Embrace the simplicity and benefits of juicing with the Healthsmart Juice Extractor. Unlock a world of fresh, healthy, and flavorful juices with this reliable and easy-to-use appliance. Elevate your nutrition, increase your fruit and vegetable intake, and take a step towards a healthier and more vibrant you.